Hey Excel lovers, have you ever wondered how much of your EMI actually goes to interest and how much reduces your loan balance? Today I will show you how to create a loan amortization schedule in Excel from scratch in just a few minutes. By the end of this video, you will be able to see your full payment breakdown month by month automatically. Amortization schedule will recalculate automatically even if you change your principal amount or any other component. First, let's set up our inputs. Type these values in Excel. Loan amount, say 5 lakh rupees. Annual interest rate 10%. Tenure in year 5, 5 years. Next, we will calculate monthly interest rate by dividing annual interest rate by 12, and then we will calculate total number of months by multiplying number of years with 12. For these calculations, we will apply formula in the respective cells for number of months and the interest rate per month. Now, when we have all the required inputs for calculating the monthly loan EMI, let's calculate the monthly loan EMI amount by using the PMT formula in Excel. For PMT formula, I have already created a separate video that you can check in the description. In the description of this video, you can find a link to the PMT formula video that I created separately. For calculating monthly EMI, we will use PMT formula. PMT formula uses primarily three parameters: monthly interest rate, total number of months, and loan amount. So now we will select the cell in the first parameter where we have stored monthly interest rate. In the second parameter, we will select total number of months, and in the third parameter, we will select loan amount. And we will multiply the loan amount with -1 so that it returns the value in positive. Otherwise, PMT formula returns the loan EMI in negative. Now, let's build our table. This table will be primarily used to calculate the whole amortization schedule. This table will have many columns. These columns include month, opening balance, EMI, interest component, principal component, and closing balance. Let's first create the list of all the months required for the amortization schedule. Here we have 60 months, so we will first start from the 1st January 2025, for example, and then we will write 1st February 2025, and we will drag this, we will select these two cells, and we will drag it for the 60 cells. This will create a complete table of all the months for the whole loan period of 60 months. And of course, to give it a professional look, we will do some formatting by doing the columns bold, changing the formatting of all the months. So now, if we have created a basic structure for our amortization schedule, we have all the 60 rows for each month, and we have formatted the table. Now we are completely ready to put all the calculation formulas in the table, and we are almost there to create the complete amortization schedule. Let's first fill values in the first row. Opening balance will have address of cell containing loan amount. EMI will contain address of cell of monthly EMI that we have already calculated by using PMT formula. Don't forget to press F4 button for EMI cell address to make it absolute. Otherwise, it will change the cell address when we drag the formula and our calculation will become wrong. Interest component will be calculating by multiplying opening balance amount with monthly interest rates. For this also, we will select monthly interest rate cell address, and we will make it absolute by pressing F4 formula. We will now calculate principal component. Principal component will be calculated by reducing interest component from EMI amount. And finally, closing balance is calculated by reducing the principal component from opening balance. With this, we are done with the first row. In the next row, opening balance will have address of cell containing the closing balance in the first row, and we will just drag the formula till the end of the table. As you can see, closing balance of December 2029 is 0. So the loan is fully paid after completion of all the EMIs. Now let's try to change the loan amount and see how all the EMIs, principal amount, interest amount, and everything is recalculated dynamically. whole amortization schedule will be recalculated dynamically. If you find this helpful, hit like and subscribe and comment more Excel finance tricks. I will check the comments and make videos accordingly.